you may feel that my problem is different. Please think about the problem at the core area, core challenges area. Each one of you may feel that there is a, what do you call, a very unique problem that I have. And let me also tell you that all the unique problems are not there. Okay. You have a problem which is very generic right now. You are just trying to solve it unique way. You as a person is a unique. So the problem is same. You are trying to solve it as a unique way. How many of you understand that? Yeah. So if you are probably trying to solve it in a unique way, then I have listed down all the core challenges that is required. All the core challenges that is to be solved. You may feel that my problem is different. Please think about the problem at the core area, core challenges area. Okay. Don't think about the problem, oh sir, I have a different problem. Whatever you said is not applicable to me. Let me assure you, I have covered almost every problem that may be having right now to you and you are facing. Okay. So let's probably go to that aspect, and which I call as a core challenge problem that we are going to cover right now. Okay. So I'll go with the very simple problem issues that you have actually highlighted over the last 3 years. And these are the core problems which I am facing, which I am seeing right now. One is related to job issues with the job. How do I make those decisions of the job? How to get the job itself? Now the age issue, gap issue, transition issue, so on and so forth. Then comes the promotion issue. Sir, I'm not getting promotion, I'm getting stuck, and so on and so forth. Then comes the transition issue. And then comes the personal challenges. Is there anything else that we need to solve out of this career? Everything and anything that you need is already available in this, because this is the only thing you are looking for. Either you're looking for job or you're looking for promotion. Either you're looking for transition. You are looking to solve your personal challenges and how to get the job or a transition. That's it. So I'll go one by one. The first topic is about job decisions. How many of you have a job decision problem? How do I actually make a decision for a job change? Whether this job is good, that job is good, whether I should go for this, whether I should not go for this. Come on everyone, put in me in the comment box. Let me understand if you have such problem. Okay. And let me just show you some of the questions that I have come across in this. Okay. I put it in I. So please don't take it to your personally. It is just to make sure that I probably address your questions well. Okay. The first thing is whether I should go for this job or that job. Whether I should take this field or not that field. Whether I should change the job or not change the job. I'm stuck in this. Now next year I'll be promoted. Should I change the job or should I not change the job? Now the solution is very pinpointed and only 3 criteria that you need to think about while you are making any decisions about your job. How many of you want to know that? You only need 3 criteria to select any next level job. The first criteria is about alignment to your vision. What is your career vision? And am I aligning the next job is aligning to my vision or not? That is the first criteria. Second is a financial growth. You are not changing the job for the sake of it. You are changing the job so that you can get the financial growth. Now, is this financial growth as per the market condition or is it underpaid? So you have to ask yourself a question. Am I getting a financial growth as per the market condition as of today? Number 3 is whether the future growth visibility is available in this job role. So if I'm a senior manager, is there a visibility to me that I can go to a general manager, AVP, VP, and so on and so forth? How many of you realize if you actually vet your question with these 3 criteria, you'll always come up with the right answer. There is no way you cannot come up with the right answer. This is one of the biggest questions that people have in mind. Oh sir, I have this many years of experience. Should I change the job? Should I not change the job? Should I stay in this company? Should I change the company? Should I change to location? All these questions need to be vetted only these 3 criteria.